Yeah, I think Scott's really gonna love this one. Now, I've been dabbling in lasers for over 4 years now, and DTF printing for about a year and a half, sublimation, well, ever since my daughter started up her own company. But UV? Now that's something totally different. What is a laser guide to do with the E1 by EufyMake? One of the first things I like to do is try some of the materials I use for laser engraving on this EufyMake E1. And let's see if it might actually be better to use this UV printer instead. So I actually wanted to put my logo on a Zippo Lighter. Then I remembered that I had these two from a previous test. They're not like a real deep engraved, they're more of a marking, but I want to see if I can actually salvage these with a image. So within 4.5 minutes, would you look at that? If you don't even see the marking on the lighter anymore. That's what it used to look like. That's what it looks like now. And now, here's both lighters. I purchased these lighters, True Zippo brand, for $13 each. And you could go onto Amazon and people are still selling personalized lighters like this on both sides for around $30 to $45 each. For 9 minutes worth of work? Yep, sign me up. Next, let's see if we could salvage this flask. I put biohazard on there. And let's go ahead and throw it into the E1 and see what we can do with it. Well, 12 minutes later, yeah, you can still see the biohazard behind there. Definitely should have done more white layers on here. But with the accuracy of reapplying another image on here, look at that. We did save it. And yeah, it even has a little bit of a texture to it. Yep, that actually took a little bit longer. That took about 25 minutes. Now there's some really good profits to be made with shot glasses. Like for instance, a 30-pack of these shot glasses only costs $22.99 on Amazon. Yeah, that's $1.30 each. And 4.5 minutes later, look at that. Professional results. I mean, you could probably sell these for like $7, $8 each, no problem. And, say that you want to really get into this business and do like a wedding. This is Madison and Evan, our daughter and her husband, and they're tying the knot. So I just dabbled with some AI to create these images, and yeah, in about 10 minutes, if you do both sides, but if not, you could just do one side. And again, you can make some serious money just off of these shot glasses. Also save your errors for future testing. Next, let's try some ceramic coasters. Now, you want to make sure that you clean them because they're going to have some residue off of here. But it was a 50-pack for $40 on Amazon. And that comes to about $1.25 each. Now, let's see if we can make a profit off of this. And would you look at that? Nice clean image. 26 minutes later, all 4 of them are done. And if you have a white background, you can definitely save on ink. I only did 1 layer of white, and look how nice these came out, all 4 of them. And again, for $1.25 each in material, and then of course your ink and time, but you could sell a 4-pack of custom coasters easily for $25, $30. How about some custom signs? I found a 10-pack of these 10x7 signs, white on one side and metal on the other, for $30 on Amazon. It comes out to about $3 each. And one thing that's good about it, white, it will save you some ink. So I went to ChatGPT and it said, make a vintage motor oil advertising sign that's 10x7. And then it created this one, and I said, just remove the holes. And within 24 minutes later, would you look at that? Your own custom sign, and it's all original. You don't have to worry about, any type of copyrights or anything. That's why I didn't choose like, shell or, anything else, is to have something totally original. In addition to that, since it has already white back there, I only had to do 1 layer of white. And it just came out super nice. It has that nice vintage look. Now let's try something else. We all know someone that has a, let's just call it a pavement princess Jeep, right? So I said, let's make a 4-door Jeep in ChatGPT. And this was the first thing that came up. And I was just absolutely thrilled with the results. Very consistent, 24 minutes later, and would you look at that? Yep, I know a person to give this to for the Pavement Princess. Never seen dirt, queen of the parking lot. And even the details here. It says, hold on, mall rated. I mean, just the little details like that, and the pink fuzzy wheel and the steering wheel. Yeah, I really dig this. Again, the profits are going to be pretty darn good for something like this. Now, I have a really love-hate relationship with rotaries, but EufyMake makes this absolutely super easy. It does all the leveling for you. It scans it, does all the dimensions, and it's just seamless. And once you get the cup in there, you just go into the software and you just drag your image size. It is that easy. Now, alignment does take a little while, but as you can see, it's definitely worth it. And you can see that it looks like it's doing nothing, but it is definitely printing and using the UV to cure. Let's take it off of here, and here you go. Now, this did take 36 minutes, and I definitely should have shrunk down my image because this definitely should have been smaller. I would say at least half the size, and then it would have been literally half the amount of time, but I really dig the results. And of course, UV stickers. I mean, they're very durable and they last a really long time. And you can get these strips. This did take 31 minutes and it has adhesive on there. So you want to be careful with the removal because when we take this off, you want to just try to pull it from the edge. And there you go. And then what we're going to do is use the laminator to go ahead and laminate it so then we could cut them out and apply them to anything. And it's super strong adhesive, and these stickers last a long time, and they are very durable. You know, you could probably put them on the back window of your car, and you know what? Your car's paint will probably fade before these stickers do. There's lots of money to be made in personalizations of products, and let's go ahead and find another. Now, Scott from VCore. He's looking for a rebranding. I mean, if you look at his logo here, you know, he's got like a Pontiac. You know, Pontiacs aren't around anymore. But I did watch one of his videos. Well, you can see I practically watch them all, but this one really stuck out. It is when he said that he could remove a door panel blindfolded. I mean, he actually did this with no interruptions on the camera. It was magical. It was like unicorns and rainbows. Wait a minute, unicorns and rainbows. So I grabbed a picture of Scott and I went to Chat GPT and said, have him riding a unicorn while the unicorn is farting rainbows while riding on a road full of, you know, screws and bolts with a transparent background. And I said, use the face provided. It's just not coming out right. So I said, make it vertical. And then it changed it a little bit, but I still wasn't really happy with this. So did some more parts, like car parts on the road. That didn't look that great. So I said, you know what? Why don't we just make him jump over the Grand Am, a 4-door? And then, yeah, I'm liking the direction of this. Sometimes with Chat GPT, you gotta finesse it a little bit. And there we go. I said, soften out the edges, and I think we got it. Yep, this is what we're going to use, and we're going to do full send on it. I actually did say do a transparent background, and that one's not that bad, but I think we can use that for something else. So we got our images, and yep, 24 minutes later, would you look at that? VCore has his own new logo with him riding the unicorn and jumping over that Grand Am. He loves his Grand Ams. I mean, I think this rebranding is definitely going to stick, and I think he's just going to really love it. I mean, with just some simple inputs into AI, whether it be the EufyMake software or an external source, you could create custom images. That was the first one I did, and you just saw these other two. I think the one for the transparent worked out great for the shot glasses. Which one is your favorite? Which one would you think that he should go with? I'm more in favor of number 2 overall. I believe with using this EufyMake UV printer, along with AI, again, whether it be the EufyMake AI or an external source, you could come up with some creative ideas to really jumpstart a business and not have to worry so much about copyright violations, because this is literally all original artwork. And there were some that didn't make into this video, and I definitely have some creative ideas in there. So if you are looking to purchase something like this for your own business, there will be a link down below. So I really truly appreciate you tuning into Tripod's Garage. Please have a wonderful day, evening, or weekend, or whenever you decide to watch this video. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you again on Tripod's Garage.